tremendous win. I think, you look back over the game, it was pretty even for most of it. Dom scored a cracking goal. And we knew before the game it was going to be about what happens in both boxes. I thought the defence were excellent. I thought, the lads didn't stop running all game. I'm so proud of them. I couldn't ask for any more. To come out and get the win.
Mike, a narrow defeat tonight. Did you deserve more from the game?
I believe so, yeah. It's hard not to be disappointed. I thought the performance was there from our lads today. I thought we set them challenges to gain territory in the final third, produce opportunities, and then probably just lacking that little bit of quality. So yeah, unfortunate to come the wrong side of that result, and I think we deserved a little bit more out of it. Yeah.
Dominic, croeso, welcome to the Cymru Premier.
Thank you.
What a way to announce your arrival. Talk us through that goal.
Yeah, as soon as it sort of left my foot, I knew it was going in. It's one of them where you don't feel it. That one was for my brother. He keeps telling me don't score enough goals, so that one will shut him up for a little bit.
A lot of people have wrote us off before the season's even started. I'm not saying we're 2 games in, we've achieved anything, because we haven't. But to get that win tonight means a lot.
We do need time to gel, but we can't use that excuse for the whole of the season. So the quicker that happens, the better. We are finding our way a little bit. I thought we were much better on the ball today. I thought we created some great opportunities. Didn't quite land for us, but we can't feel sorry for ourselves. All them lads know what it takes to be in the Welsh Prem. We'll dust ourselves off. We'll go again, and hopefully we will reap the rewards sooner rather than later for good performances, because it's sometimes not about the performances, it's about the results. It is, so you can play as well as we've just done today, but if we don't get them the points and that we deserve, then it means nothing.